In this video, we are going to set up Tailwind CSS framework in our ReactJs project. To begin with, we need to run this command npm install Tailwind CSS post CSS auto prefixer. And after running that command, we need to run here so this is going to create a tailwind.config.js file, and in the content array here, all we need to do is we need to set the path in our source folder. Fine. Now that our setup is done, we will go in our app.js. Now this is our basic component. We are going to remove the code that's already here. And we will write our custom code here. Now, other thing we need to do here is we also need to set here our CSS file. We need to set up here another CSS file. And in this CSS file, we need to add some code here. Now after doing this, stop your ReactJS server. Or if it is already running, you need to restart it. Now we can style our components. To begin with, I'm going to style this div here. So in the class name attribute, Okay, we also need to import the file. And you can see that the styles are working fine. So now I'm going to style this heading here. Same class name attribute, and you can see here that our Tailwind CSS styles are working fine inside our ReactJs components. So that's how you can set up Tailwind CSS in your ReactJs project.